Madlang People, once again, AJ Mandar.
Okay po.
Maliligo siya?
Ay, ano yan?
I can't breathe! I can't breathe! Oh, I didn't know that. It's just so easy to remove that. Sorry. My name is Girly, the sexiest woman you'll ever met in your life. While living... Huh? How could you? The gods! Look at your belly. It looks like a double-layer inflatable swimming ring. My belly. But I love my belly. You can't downgrade.
Nakagat ng igat.
You deserve that because you're so delusional. Look at your arms. A pig's hawk looks so much better than that. It is true. A lot of people are telling me that my arms are so big on me. But the people, can you tell me that I'm still sexy even if I've had this insecurity? Thank you so much for having me. And now, I'm gonna sleep.
Matutulog na siya.
Thank you.
Palakpakan natin, AJ Mandar.
Galing.
Thank you.
Sandali. Alam mo, yan ang mahirap eh. Kung gusto mo maging bumbero, maging army eh.
Oh.
Ang ending nun, di ka makapila, magiging sisisa ka.
Alam mo, anong sinasabi sa'yo ng mga kabady mo kapag ganyan ka?
Kapag po ganito ako, sasabihin lang po nila, oh, ayan, di ka na naman nakainom ng gamot mo.
Saan ka nagpa-practice ng ganyan? Mag-isa ka lang ba o may nanonood sa'yo?
Meron po yung amo po ng mama ko, meron po siyang rooftop. So, minsan po nagsasabi ako doon, practice naman po ako dyan. Ba't po kayo tumawa?
Wala ba nakakakita sa'yo? Kasi pag malayo, iba yung dating nun eh.
Meron
Pag
pong
nakita mo-
construction worker, tas bigla na siya, anong ginagawa mo, Neng?
Pero magaling.
Ganda.
Ang daming
So
emosyon na
much.
ipinakita.
Thank you so
Yan ba yung
much.
declamation? Tawag nila?
Declamation po yun. Yun po ay artist.
Kaya pala sa roof,
po.
kaya pala sa roof deck ka nagpa-practice. Kasi declamation.
Deck, nasa deck eh, roof deck.
Artistic way po siya ng speech.
Ah.
Palakpakan natin, Madlang People. Ang galing,
Thank
di ba?
you.
Oh.